Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to start working with the notification system. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to create a new app. So start with Django-admin star app. Let's call it notification or notifications, whatever you want to call it. You want to call it notification right there. And we can just go here, notification, and let's start creating our models. Okay, I'm just going to import the user. So from django.contrib.auth.models, let's import the user. And from server.models, let's import server. Okay, we got those there. Now let's start creating a class here. I'll call it notification. And from models, that model. And the first field will be to user, basically the user getting the notification. It will be a foreign key of user. On delete models that cascade. And then just here, let's just put a related name. And I'm just call it notification recipient or whatever you want to call it. You just put noti user. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this one. And here, let me put from user, just in case we have notification. Just put from user. It'll be kind of like the same thing here. And also let's put one to server models. Let's just copy this one. Just a foreign key of server. Okay, and we're gonna have like different type of notification. We're going to leave this one open to like, so we can have like multiple type of notification here. So let me just create one like notification types, right? And here we're going to create a tuple. The first value will be invitation or server invitation, right? And the second one will be server member request. Oh no, joining request, right? Server invitation, joining request, and we can put a third one as like you can put just all type of notification that you want. For example, like send you a message, ban you from the server, granting you as a moderator, and all of that. I'm just gonna leave these two here, just a server invitation and the joining request, and then just I don't know, just that. We can just put a date if you want, or whatever. You can put or it's seen, or if the I don't know, or active. Or I'm just gonna leave it like that. And with these fields, you can just as I said, put more. So here, let's put notification. Now reveal notification type will be models that or choices, right? We're gonna use a choice here. Integer field. Choices will be the notification types, basically. But I put integer here because the values are like 1 and 2, just integer field. We can put small integer field if you want, but let me just leave it like that, integer field. And this will be the notification types. And yeah, let's save that. And let's create a new file. This one is called api.py. And here, as always, when we just need to like import the let me just go to chat. We just need to import the Django REST stuff. So I'll just let's just copy this whole thing. Copy this one, paste it here, and now let's copy this oops. We can copy this API view. We copy this API view because it will be kind of like the same. We're just going to modify some stuff, of course. For example, here will be notifications API, right? Permission classes, we don't need this. Parser classes, we definitely would need the permission, API view, and it's authenticated. Here, now let's import the models. From notification, that models, let's import notification, right? And in here, we are going to get the object of notification. Yeah, just like that, okay? Get will basically be the we're going to just get all the notifications, basically. But yeah, so we don't have the serializer for that. So let's just create a new file here. Let's call it serializers.py. And here, first from Red's framework, let's import serializers. And from notification, let's import notification. Okay, here. So now we create our serializer class called notification serializer. So stands for serializers.model serializer. And then just here we get basically the fields. But for the users, we're gonna use the user serializer from the Authy app. So let's import it from Authy.serializer. Let's import user serializer, and also we're gonna use the server serializers from server that serializer import server serializer. Okay, just like that. And down here, I'm gonna have from user the model. I'm gonna edit like this model. Let me start with the same order. So To user will be user serializer, right? And here we put read only equals true. We can copy this one, paste it here, and then from user. And then here we have to server, just put to server, server serializer, and same thing, read only true. Okay. And in here we have our class meta. Model will be notification. Fields will be all. And depth will be 1. So we can access to the user like profile model. Okay. So we save that. Now we can just copy this serializer. Now go here to our API serializer, and we can just run notification that serializer. Yeah. Okay. So we got that ready. We got the serializer ready. So now here in our get, we're going to basically get all the notifications of the user. So very simple, notifications will be equals to notification dot objects dot filter, and then here we're going to put to user, basically the person that's receiving all the notifications, right? So to user we put request dot user. Very simple. And we just here serializer equals to notification serializer, and then here we pass the notifications, comma, and we're going to receive multiple like notifications, right? So we put many equals true. Okay. And then we respond serializer, and then we respond with the data. Okay. So now with the post is when basically we want to create like a notification, and this one could be a notification for a server invitation or a joining request. So we're going to set that, right? We delete this one. Here, serializer will be notification serializer, and then data we pass request data, and if serializer, we need to we're missing to we need to put this to user, and basically to the user that we're sending the notification, and also the server, right? So here we put to user, we get the user dot objects dot get username. We're gonna get the user from, because we're going to send a user ID basically to this user. We're going to send a notification, so we need to get the object, right? So that's what we choose to user objects that get, and put request that data. We're going to send a JSON with a to user field that will contain the ID of the user that we're going to send the notification. That's to user. And now here to server. Okay. Copy this one. Oops. Here, when I put server, oh, we need to import server too. So let's import from server.models import server. So server objects.get, and then here we just put PK request data, and here we put to server. Very simple. Now here, if serializer is valid, save. And then here we put to user. We pass to user here, just like that. And let's delete this one to server. We pull to server, right? And here from user, because remember we need to set it from user to, we put request that user. That's basically to get the first basically the first one that's like a server invitation, because we're sending an invitation to the to a user, right? And okay, let me check. Yeah, server invitation. So if we're basically requesting a notification, sorry, we are requesting to join a server, we're gonna do that in the front end. But basically that's how it will be. We have the user here, we're sending ID, and then the server. Okay, very simple. And basically this stays the same. Serializer save, we put that here, and then we respond. Very simple. Okay, so now we got the post. Now we need the delete, right? So the delete will be self request, and just put, we're gonna get a PK, right, to basically delete the notification. It's the notification ID. Basically we're gonna receive there, but none. Okay, so now here we just need to get the notification. So we just put self that get object notification equals, we call our get object function here. Here we pass the ID that we get, and now we can just delete that notification that delete, and that's it. So after we delete the notification, we can return a response of status $200, and this one is okay. Perfect. Very simple. We can create let's have a little check here. Okay, if request that user equals notification that to user, because we want to delete we want to be able that the person that has the notification is the person that can delete the notification. Just like a little check there. Okay. Just like that. And we can just copy this one. Paste it here. Just like a little check here. Just to make sure that the person trying to delete a notification is the person that receive it, right? Okay, that's how we do it here. If request user, okay. Okay, we got the delete ready. So the one that is missing is basically accepting the to join the server and also accepting the invitation. And we're gonna create that in the next video. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.